Hello everyone, I welcome you all on this YouTube channel, the UPSC TV by RS, and here I am going to present the Hindu newspaper for your public administration optional. आपको पता है कि हम यहाँ पर द हिंदू डेली कवर करते हैं, डेली द हिंदू का एनालिसिस करते हैं विद रेस्पेक्ट टू योर पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑप्शनल फॉर यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विसेज एग्जामिनेशन। तो आज तारीख है 2nd July 2020। तो वी आर गोइंग टू कवर द हिंदू of 2nd July 2020. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and kindly press the bell icon in order to get the regular notification, and for the PDF and other aspects, other details, link of articles and other kind of things with respect to public administration optional, you can join the Telegram channel, Telegram group, Pubetpedia official. ओके, द लिंक फॉर द सेम इज़ गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। लिंक जो है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी गई है। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द हिंदू डेटेड 2nd July 2020। सो शुरू करते हैं आज की कार्यवाही। सो लेट्स बिगिन with today's articles that are relevant for your public administration optional. So if you just scroll down in this newspaper, you will get to know that our first newspaper article that we have to cover is given in the page called editorial. Okay, so on the editorial page of the Hindu you will get the article. So this is the article called police reform and the crucial judicial actor. Okay, so as you can see over here that I have highlighted the thing. So what I will do is I will bring the kind of analysis विदाउट गोइंग ऑन द यू कैन से दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग। ठीक है, तो ऐसा नहीं करेंगे कि इसी के ऊपर करें। लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस एनालिसिस ओवर हेयर। Okay, so basically if you read this article, what is the summary of this article? The article, first of all, you can just remember that in the previous days as well we were talking about the custodial death and all, and I have given you the overall perspective with respect to custodial death, with respect to different things like committees and all. Today also the article is talking about the same thing, and as per the Hindu study we have covered yesterday only that around 1700 cases of custodial deaths are being reported from 2000 to 2018, and only 26 conviction took place. Okay, so कितने केस हुए हैं? अराउंड 1700 केस हुए हैं जिनमें कस्टडी में डेथ हुई है, लेकिन ओनली 26 पुलिस वाले जो हैं वो उनका कन्विक्शन हुआ है। ठीक है, ये बहुत कम है। बिकॉज चलो एक बार मान लो कि चलो आईपीसी का कन्विक्शन देखो अगर, तो इट इज़ अराउंड 46% और समथिंग लाइक दैट। ठीक है, तो बहुत कम हो गया। देखो वैसे ओवरऑल 46% है, और अभी इफ़ यू विल डू यू विल गेट 26 अपॉन 1700, सो इट विल कम वेरी लेस। सो इट इज़ बेसिकली highlighting that there is the problem. Okay, so custodial death and other things are there. So this is the context. Okay, and context is something that we are covering from many days. हम बहुत दिनों से बात कर रहे हैं। ये जो तूथू कुबड़ी जो भी जगह है, whatever the place is, the case is there, so we are covering it again and again. Today the writer is suggesting, and basically writer is giving the perspective of police reform by highlighting 3 important judgments of the Supreme Court. Writer is talking about 3 important judgments of the Supreme Court. Then the writer will talk about the, you can say, the overall crux or the overall vision of the Supreme Court insofar as the, you can say, this entire this custodial death and police violence is concerned. Okay, so writer is basically talking about one aspect, that is scientific, the focus on scientific technologies and all, the use of CCTVs, the use of body cameras, the use of you can say narco analysis. So writer is ultimately saying that Supreme Court's focus is on science and technology. Okay, in order to reduce the kind of, you can say, the relation between this police and this individual, the accused. Okay, so this is the crux of these judgments, and then writer is talking about what are the problems over here, and then the way forward. Okay, I hope you are getting this. This is the overall crux of this article. ये आर्टिकल का पूरा crux है। पहले राइटर ने कुछ बातें की हैं that कोर्ट का क्या इंटरवेंशन है, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली दिस इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ पार्ट ऑफ क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सिस्टम। हम क्योंकि क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सिस्टम की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे, ओवरऑल अगर आर्टिकल का क्रक्स समझो या ओवरऑल इस इशू को देखो तो क्रिमिनल जुडिशियल इंटरवेंशन इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट। क्यों? बिकॉज जुडिशियल इंटरवेंशन इज़ द ओनली थिंग दैट यू कैन से जुडिशरी इज समथिंग दैट इज़ कंसिडर्ड एज द होप that okay, now executive is not working, so judiciary is the hope and writer is analyzing this judiciary only. okay, writer इसको analyze कर रहे हैं। पहले writer ने 3 पॉपुलर जजमेंट्स और जजमेंट वगैरह की बात की, फिर ओवरऑल जुडिशरी क्या कर रही है उसकी बात की, फिर प्रॉब्लम्स की बात की कि ये जो रिकमेंडेशन है इनमें दिक्कतें क्या हैं, या जुडिशरी के जो भी एनालिसिस उसमें दिक्कत क्या है, एंड देन वे फॉरवर्ड। ओके, दिस इज द क्रक्स। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइटर इज टॉकिंग अबाउट वन जजमेंट इज दिस Prakash Singh judgment of 2006, and writer is talking about 2 other judgments. okay, so this 2 other judgments are also there, so writer is talking about all these judgments one by one. If you look at the article you will get to know that Prakash Singh judgment is there, and this Jogender Kumar judgment is there, and DK Basu judgment is there. okay, so 3 judgments are there, the writer is talking about these 3 judgments. okay, तो राइटर ने 3 जजमेंट्स की बात की है। जोगेंद्र कुमार जजमेंट इज नथिंग बट इन दिस केस द सुप्रीम कोर्ट बेसिकली हाईलाइटेड द आर्टिकल 21 and 22 of the Indian Constitution, and Supreme Court says that it is necessary to justify the arrest, okay, from the side of police personnel. So you can relate it with the article 22 of the Indian Constitution, which talks about you can say this right to inform, right to be informed, and all those nitty-gritties. okay, there are around 4 to 5 rights that the accused have. So Jogender Kumar judgment is nothing but a kind of emphasis on this article 21, right to life, and 22, and the rights of person who are accused of crime. okay, and apart from that, the second judgment, the DK and not DD Basu, it is DK Basu. So in this particular case also Supreme Court further analyzed the things and further focused on this article 22 and all, and Supreme Court says that this is the responsibility of the police official, that they should basically inform the friend of the person whom they are arresting, and diary entry needs to be done, and there are many aspects of this. Again, the overall crux is article 22, there are certain rights that the accused are having. okay, yesterday also, the day before yesterday also, we have covered Malimat committee report etc, which talks about codification of these rights etc. okay, so things are going on. Malimat committee is there, writer is only talking about these 3 things, but you can also incorporate Malimat committee, you can talk about Soli Sorabji committee, you can talk about Padman Bhaiya committee, you can talk about this Rebelio commission. okay, so this is the basic of your public administration law and order that you must be thorough with. okay, so we are not going into it, but just try to understand that these are the things, and ultimately what judiciary is doing, it is trying to bring the scientific you can say use of science, use of technology, in order to avoid this, you can say this kind of, you can say this, in order to avoid this relation between this police personnel and this you can say criminal. okay, so use CCTV camera, use narco analysis, don't use 3rd degree torture, so that the things can be done. okay, so in the previous analysis also we have covered the analysis like Telangana model, like Kerala Police Act. okay, so you can just make the notes of these things in a very, you can say, not in a on a segregated basis, just try to add this issue and just try to add the things. okay, तो आप ऐसे करते जाइए तो आपको यहाँ पे पता चलेगा। मैं हिंदी में भी बता देता हूँ। जोगिंदर सिंह केस हुआ था जहाँ पे अल्टीमेट इनमें आर्टिकल 21 और 22 की बात हुई है सारे केसेस में। और प्रकाश सिंह जजमेंट, देयर आर थिंग्स दैट यू कैन रिमेंबर इन प्रकाश सिंह जजमेंट। इट टॉक्स अबाउट नेशनल सिक्योरिटी कमीशन, स्टेट सिक्योरिटी कमीशन, इट टॉक्स अबाउट पुलिस कंप्लेंट अथॉरिटी, पुलिस एस्टेब्लिशमेंट बोर्ड, सेपरेशन ऑफ एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड जुडिशरी, 2 years term and other things. okay, 7 principles are there in this Prakash Singh judgment. okay, so these are the things. Now what you have to understand that now writer is talking about problems. What are the problems with the with these judgments? Why results are not coming? So writer is talking about 2 aspects. There are 2 problems. The first problem is with respect to the you can say implementation. There is a problem in implementation. problem in implementation because judiciary implementation require money and resources, and judiciary do not have money as well as the resources. Judiciary can only provide the guideline, but when it comes to implementation, it is not in the hands of judiciary, it is in the hands of state, it is in the hands of legislature, executive. They are not willing to do so. So this is the problem, money and this all these things. So implementation is not done. And apart from that, the writer is talking about the things okay, even the judiciary is striking down the provisions of IPC, CRPC as derogatory, as something like that, but at the ground level the police is nowadays also police is using those you can say IPC, those outdated laws. Okay, so ऐसा भी होता है because awareness is not there, implementation at the ground level is not there. Writer is talking about the problems in implementation. So what is the way forward, what we can do, what is the way forward? So writer is basically saying what we have to do. First of all, bad apple theory. This bad apple theory you will also get to know in मोहित भट्टाचार्य. जब आप मोहित भट्टाचार्य पढ़ोगे तो वहाँ पे भी बैड एप्पल थियरी लिखी हुई है. बैड एप्पल थियरी का मतलब है कि कुछ एप्पल्स हैं जो अच्छे नहीं हैं. सो वी हैव टू बेसिकली हाईलाइट देम, एंड राइटर इज सेइंग दैट the problem with the police reform is that we are considering that only some people are not good, and as a result we are not looking at the broader picture. So what we have to do, writer is saying that put the onus on the entire police force. Okay, don't look them in a segregated manner that okay, there are 10 person, 9 are good, only one is bad, so only one is bad. Okay, this is the problem only. So don't look like this. Writer is saying that put the onus in the entire police administration, that be it one or two, or you can say majority, minority, okay, whatever the case is, the entire police administration should be responsible. For example, in Telangana they have this law. In Telangana is the model, you can say Telangana's model. So in that particular thing, what is happening is that the entire police administration is accountable and responsible for the custodial death and all. Okay, so you can use these kind of things. And apart from that, the another way forward writer is suggesting, right, this is very important, you can use it in your answer. Writer is suggesting that what we have to do is we are focusing on constitutional court. Basically constitutional court is coming with the judgments, and constitutional court is focusing on the police, that is executive. Okay, this is the reality of our police reform, that constitutional court is asking to the police, that is executive. But what we need to understand that, if you just okay, so what we need to understand that police executive is not accountable to the constitutional court directly. Police is, if you look at the police, if you read the constitution, in 24 hours police have to you can say go in front of the judicial magistrate of a particular area, particular district at the grassroots level, and they are not going to they are not accountable to the Supreme Court of India at New Delhi. Okay, they are accountable, or they have to present that particular person in 24 hours in front of the judicial magistrate of the district. Okay, so what we have to focus on, if we want to have the real, अगर हम चाहते हैं कि सच में कुछ हो, तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल कोर्ट पुलिस को यहाँ पे इनके बीच का रिलेशन नहीं हो, पुलिस और जुडिशियल मजिस्ट्रेट का रिलेशन हो, जुडिशियल कोर्ट का, जो जहाँ पर 24 आवर्स में प्रेजेंट करना है. बिकॉज देर इज अनदर प्रॉब्लम ऑफ रिमांड. ओके, रिमांड वी हैव कवर्ड दिस थिंग एज वेल इन द प्रीवियस डेज, दैट रिमांड पे डाल दिया जाता है सो दैट दे कैन इन्वेस्टिगेट मोर एंड अदर थिंग्स, एंड ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स आर एट द not at the constitutional court but at the judicial magistrate level. So writer is saying that focus on the judicial magistrate level. जो focus है वो judicial magistrate level पर करो, because जो पुलिस वाले जो लोग अरेस्ट करके लाएंगे वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट दिल्ली में थोड़ी ना लेके जाएंगे, हाई कोर्ट में थोड़ी ना लेके जाएंगे कि हाई कोर्ट में प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. They will present the accused of the crime at the judicial magistrate level. Okay, so writer is talking about this thing. I hope you are getting, this is the entire crux of this article. You can make the notes out of it, and this is all about this particular article. Now let's move on to the other things that you can read. If you just look at over here, you will get that this is the judgment, these are the three judgments, and then writer is talking about the crux, scientific analysis, and then the writer is talking about the problems with respect to implementation. Then the way forward is that we have to change the culture of bad apple theory. This bad apple theory is with respect to corruption also, you can use this. Okay, in Mohit Bhattacharya also you will get this term bad apple theory. This is the public administration keyword. So ultimately we have to basically focus on the systematic reform, and all these things needs to be taken care of. Okay, I hope you are getting. This is the crux of this article. Let's move on to the next article. आगे बढ़ते हैं, कोई और आर्टिकल पे नज़र डालते हैं. So here this article is talking about promise and delivery. So this article is all about vaccine, and here ultimately at the end you will get this thing, this keyword, regulatory agencies. Okay, so that's why just keep a track over it as well. Okay, in previous days we have covered this Patanjali case. Okay, and in the light of Patanjali case we have covered regulatory bodies, isn't it? And apart from that, when it comes to drugs also, antiviral drugs, in that case also we have covered the regulatory bodies. Okay, and that's why regulatory bodies becomes important. And today only Central Zoo Authority is being made, and something sort of that is going on in the newspaper article. So you can again link regulatory bodies. Okay, and some days back SEBI Amendment Act was proposed. Okay, in that also regulatory body was there. Financial autonomy of SEBI was under threat as because of that particular thing. Okay, and apart from that, when it comes to vaccine, okay, drugs is another thing, vaccine is another thing. So here also the role of regulatory body becomes important, and regulatory body is something that you can link with different thinkers, different theories that we have covered in the June month analysis on 27 or 28 or something like that. We have covered all these things, that how many thinkers you can relate with regulatory body, be it Fayol, be it Kautilya administration, be it other thinkers. Okay, so you can just go on to the प्रीवियस आर्टिकल्स इफ़ यू हैव नॉट कवर्ड. अगर आपने पुराने आर्टिकल्स नहीं देखे प्लीज़ देख लीजिएगा, बिकॉज ये चीज़ें रिपीट हो रही हैं. सो डेली मैं ये चीज़ें रिपीट नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. ओके, सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट this thing, and apart from that what all other things. So reforming India's digital policy. So in your public administration paper 1, there is a topic called public policy. So public policy is something that is important for you to understand, that what is public policy. You can read about other things, but here what you have to understand, that we are talking about digital policy, and here writer is talking about three aspects. So when it comes to our digital policy, personal data protection bill is there, and then we have this e-commerce bill is there, and then we have another third thing that you can see over here. So these are the aspects that you have to remember, that you can just go through the digital policy. So one thing is personal data protection, e-commerce policy, and information technology amendment. Okay, this is all about public policy. Then the article is talking about GST revenue plunged 41% in the first quarter. So this is a thing that you can relate with the financial administration. Okay, and apart from that, the another thing, let's finish this article, this analysis, with the good news. So here we have the news that Kerala village deploys robot nurses for patient care, and here the role of rural development, panchayat. If you look at the syllabus in paper 2, you have rural development. In rural development, this is the best way to write answer. You have to prepare some case studies. If you look at the topper stock, they will suggest you for public administration, case studies are important. Apart from second ARC's knowledge and other things, case studies are very important. So you can use this thing. Kerala village deploys 2 robot nurses whose name are Asha, meaning hope, and here you can just incorporate this, the role played by the panchayat over here. Okay, so not the name of the village is not important, just try to remember in Kerala village panchayat is doing something like this, and this is not the first time that this village panchayat is doing this thing. And because if you read the things यहाँ पे, you will get to know that even the first you can say, when the national award for public administration, this particular panchayat have also won this national award on public administration, and ISO first you can say panchayat in the state to get ISO 9001 certification for primary health center. So these are the things. ये सारी चीज़ें आपको बस अपनी केस स्टडीज़ में, अगर आप टॉपर स्टॉक देखें वहाँ पे आप केस स्टडीज़ आर इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू हाईलाइट इन योर आंसर्स, ठीक है, कि कैसे विलेज पंचायत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, देन यू कैन यूज़ दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. तो केरला विलेज जो है वहाँ पे ऐसा हुआ है 2 रोबोट, क्योंकि क्या हुआ था, आशा जो होती हैं एक्रीडेटेड सोशल हेल्थ एक्टिविस्ट, ये लिखा हुआ है. तो आशा जो यहाँ पे एक आशा की डेथ हो गई थी, ठीक है, सोशल हेल्थ एक्टिविस्ट की, एंड उसकी वजह से ये सारी चीज़ें आई. सो यू कैन यूज़ दिस एज द एग्जाम्पल. आप इसे एग्जाम्पल की तरह यूज़ कर सकते हो दैट हाउ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड हाउ पंचायत इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, हाउ पंचायत कैन bring changes. Okay, so there are articles in your Hindu newspaper amid COVID-19 the role of panchayat is important. This is the real example that how they can play an important role. You can use it as a case studies in your paper 2 for Panchayati Raj and rural development. And this national award for public administration, this is your homework. You have to tell me in the comment section about the national award for public administration, the basic details. Okay, so this is it for the day. I don't think that there is some other article. Let me scroll down first. Okay, so there is no more article. This is all about today's analysis of the Hindu newspaper. तो आज का द हिंदू यहीं पर समाप्त करते हैं. I hope this newspaper analysis is helpful for you in your public administration paper 1 and paper 2. और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना अगर वीडियो हेल्पफुल हो तो. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.